Hey, good morning, Global Studies students. It is a brand new week, so let us begin by going through our weekly checklist. All right, so again, this checklist should be put into Notability so you have it to cross things off. We're going to stick on the continent of Asia, I should say. All right, so for Thursday, a couple things I want to say here real quickly. All right, you want to have your research notes that you took on your country that you're researching. Those are going to be due tonight at midnight, so make sure you submit those. All right. Reminder to you that we moved the infographic. It's not due until May 21st, which is next Friday. We did that to ensure that you get next Wednesday as a catch-up day as well. Today, we're going to start looking at religions. All right. Now, I want to say this real quickly because a lot of people might be thinking, well, why are we learning about religions? It is in our standards from the state that we watch, that we learn about the different five big religions that are found in the world. And so today, we're going to be focusing in on the religion of Hinduism. All right, so you'll see there's a folder of Hinduism and Buddhism. All right, you're going to go to the PowerPoint and you do steps 1 through 3 on the note sheet. Friday, we're going to do steps 4 through 6, and we'll focus on Buddhism on Friday. Monday, for those of you that are in person, we're going to have Mr. Bronson in. All right, and if you're at home, you're going to look at his PowerPoint, you'll complete your religion notes. Next Tuesday, we're going to be talking about the Tiananmen Square Massacre. It's a pretty big historical event that happened in China. And so we're going to read some comics that we have, a graphic novel, watch a short video clip. All right, that's about 6-7 minutes long. All right, so that is our plan there. And then next Wednesday is your catch-up day. And again, we're doing this so you have time for your infographic. A wonderful week and work hard so you can get those grades up. Again, remember, we're trying for A's and B's this trimester.